China's focus on scientific and technological innovation and development significantly impact the world economy by fostering technological advancements, driving productivity gains, and facilitating global competitiveness. This emphasis stimulates cross-border collaborations, fosters knowledge exchange, and fuel economic growth globally.
El carácter de la economía china está cambiando drásticamente. Está orientándose ahora hacia la tecnología y creo que China tiene un buen punto de partida, que es la gran infraestructura que ha desarrollado a lo largo de todos estos años. Tiene una infraestructura para el desarrollo, para el ensamblaje de las tecnologías, que le da una muy buena ventaja que prácticamente ningún otro país tiene la magnitud que tiene China.
China, in the recent past, has invested a lot in terms of research and development to the extent that it is leading in a number of areas. One, the issues of high-speed rails, the issue of electric vehicles, just to mention a few. Given that the platforms between China and other countries, for example, the cooperation platform between China and Africa, the FOCAC, or the other one, which is much wider, Belt and Road Initiative, you realize that the development of technology in China will stimulate the development of technology in those countries. They will also continue to stimulate the economies of this other country. So again, that is good news.